This is Bronte, this is a sausage, and I'm Justin, and this expedition rig just took a massive step forward. Come on, I'll show you inside. Some big frickin' news. Okay, the inverter's all wired up to the AC panel. We have power at the dishwasher. I know, fancy, but it doesn't use a whole lot of power. Open it up. Ooh la la. The hot water heater is plugged in and primed, and we are currently using 824 watts. How cool is all of this? I have the outside shower all hooked up, so I'm waiting for the hot water so then I can test. But, whee!